Now in the last video, we saw some situations where the base for a percent was implied. We needed some background information about the world in order to decide what the base was going to be. And sometimes we just need to go out and Google that and find out. But very often in non-math courses, we'll be taught about some specific application. And when we're taught about that specific application, it will tell us what the base should be for some percent. And then we'll do all of our percent calculations just as we usually do. We're going to talk about an example now of that kind of application, just so that you have practice in learning how to apply your knowledge of a specific application, combine it with your knowledge of general arithmetic of percents, and do calculations. The specific application we're going to choose to talk about is commissions. What is a commission? Some jobs, very often jobs in sales, are paid on commission, sometimes in addition to a fixed salary that you get no matter how much you sell. What is a commission? A commission is a percent of the sales value that the salesman will be paid. In other words, if we're dealing with a commission, the base and the portion are always the same thing. The base is always the value of the sale, and the portion is always the amount the salesman is paid. So if we are told that a percent represents a commission, that tells us what the base and what the portion are. So let's see a couple of examples here. Suppose a neighborhood newspaper pays a commission of 26% on ad sales. If Matt sells a full-page ad for $850, how much commission will he be paid? Because this is a commission, the base is always the sales value, and the portion is always the amount the salesman is paid. So in this case, the base, which is the sales value, how much is the sale worth? A full-page ad for $850. So the base is $850. The portion is always the amount the salesman is paid. How much is Matt paid? Well, that's what we want to know. And the percentage we're told is 26. We're ready to set up a percent proportion. When we were told that this was about a commission, it told us what the base would be and what the portion would be. So all we had to do was pull out numbers. By telling us that this was a commission, this problem did all of the hard work for us because we know all about how commissions work. So 26% is the amount that Matt is paid over 850. All right. This is a proportion, so cross-multiplying is our friend. X times 100 will be 850 times 26. Multiplication time. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 8 is 48, 49, 50, 51. 5 times 2 is 10. 8 times 2 is 16, 17. Add them up. 1, 12, 2. Bring down the 0. X times 100 is 22100, 22,100. Well, then we need to divide this by 100 to find X. X is 22100 divided by 100. That's easy, just drop the 2 zeros off the end. X is 221. So how much will Matt be paid? Matt is paid $221. Let me give you one of these to try. Suppose that Gwyneth works as a telemarketer. In addition to her salary, she's paid an 8% commission. In order to make $1,200 per month in commission, what must her total monthly sales be? Pause the video and try this now. Well, remember that when we were told that this 8% was a commission, that told us that the base was her total sales, and the portion is the commission that she earns. In this problem, her total sales are what we want to know, and the commission that she wants to earn is $1,200. By telling us that this was a commission, the problem did all the hard work for us, and we just had to extract this information. We're ready to set up our percent proportion now. So 8 out of 100. The portion is 1,200, and the base is unknown. Now we're ready to solve this proportion. We cross multiply. 1,200 times 100 is x times 8. This multiplication is easy, right? This is going to be 12 followed by 4 zeros. 120,000. So x is 120,000 divided by 8. Let's set up this division now. 8 goes into 120,000. 8 goes into 12 once. 8 goes into 45 times. Nothing left. These are all zeros. I guess I'm going to need something in these places. There we go. My answer is going to be x equals 15,000. So how much does Gwyneth need to sell? Gwyneth needs to sell a total value of $15,000 each month.